Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Amrita. So today we are going to solve one more question where we have to write a query, SQL query. So the question is write a query to get all the orders where either quantity is less than 3 or profit is 0. So that means there is a or condition. Either one of the conditions should match and the result should be displayed. If the quantity is less than 3 and profit is anything else, the order will be listed. If the profit is 0 and it's not satisfying the other condition, that is quantity is less than 0, still the order will be displayed. That means either of them either of the conditions should satisfy, then only this the order should display in the answer. So let's bifurcate the question again. What is the question? Write a query to bifurcate the question in parts, then only we can solve this. So the first part is write a query to get all the orders. This is the first part of the question, right? Now the second part is condition. What is the condition? First condition is either the quantity is less than 3. This is the second part and this is the third part of the question. So let's write the question according to the parts. First we will write a query to get all the orders. How we can find all the orders? Select star from orders. Orders is orders. Orders is our table. So let's first run this query and see how many records we have in this table. So let's wait for the row number has to come till. So let's write our second part of the question, that is write a query to get all the orders. So this is how we can get all the orders, and now we will put our condition. So we will write where quantity is less than 3 or profit is 0. So now we got the row number, that is 9999. If, after putting the conditions, after putting our query, the order will the row number will reduced because we are putting conditions here. So that means we are putting conditions on the database, so it will reduce our data. So here first we will write our first condition. Quantity is less than 3. So here we will write, after where we will write quantity less than 3. So to get the column name correct, we can check here where is the as you can check, there is a column name as quantity. So we will write quantity here, and here the second condition is or profit is 0. So we will use or keyword, which means like either of the condition satisfy the result will display. If the quantity is less than 3 or profit is 0, if any of the condition is satisfied, the order the end result, the order will be displayed. So we will write profit is equal to 0, and we will run this query. Let's see how many rows we will get from this query. So we are getting only 3,348 rows. As I said previously, that the data will be reduced. So how we can check the quantity is less than 3 or not? So first here we will check as you can see, if the quantity is 2, the profit is less than 0. You can see here the quantity is less than 3. Here the profit is more than 0 or something. Here as you can see, the profit is 0 but quantity is greater than. That means either of the condition is satisfied, the order is getting displayed. Thank you.